Welcome everyone to the 2019 19 plate Misano Blue X2i M Sport here at Your Next Car. The vehicle also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, has a wide array of BMW optional extras, including a set of the stunning 19-inch 716M alloy wheels that was just had professionally refurbished in gloss black at the front, as well as a very striking front end. You can see it has the LED headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, we refreshed the mirror caps in gloss black also. The exterior is in exquisite condition on this vehicle, and the X2 themselves are a very versatile vehicle, and I'm going to point out some of those very interesting and unique features. The interior is the black M Highlight Dakota leather seats. As you can see there, got them lovely M highlights throughout. You'll see the perforation on these seats, and this is to aid with a cooling effect, although they do have the front heated seat option as well as electric lumbar. We've got a very nice high gloss interior finish, as you can see there, and we shall now move around onto the rear seats where a few new and interesting features begin. So you can see, as well as being a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, we've got a central folding armrest and a darkened M Sport headlining. However, the rear seats can be moved forward and backwards in terms of the backrests to, of course, aid with the boot space. So you can see I've separated this side to the other to demonstrate that for you. And the boot space itself is a very large area, as well as having a false floor system. Again, showing you off those freshly refurbished 19-inch alloys. Up here we've got a rear spoiler extension, which looks really great, again giving this car an even more aggressive look. Around the back there you can see the S-Drive 18i stamps, and we've also got an electric automatic opening and closing tailgate. So there you can see just how large that area is, and of course the seats do also split fold, and by false floor system I do of course mean we've got underfloor storage, as you can see there, where we're currently storing the floor mats for the vehicle. Moving on and around to the driver's side, we've got full LED rear lights as well. Around onto the driver's side, where once more you can see the Misano blue in its fullest, and this is a very, very clean and tidy example. Having covered under 5,000 miles, you would expect no difference. And it is a very, very, very eye-catching and striking colour. One of my personal all-time favourites. Once more, we should take a look at that very interesting and very innovative seat technology. Really useful feature. It does, of course, just free you up should you have a large item for the boot area. It means you do not have to split fold it. Of course, that does then mean you don't have to not have rear passengers. Entering the driver's side, we're greeted by a lovely LED backlit display. We'll also start the car up and just run you through some features of this BMW Business Plus navigation and media screen. By Business Plus, I do mean it's now touchscreen, as you can see there, and I'll demonstrate some more nice features of that touchscreen capability shortly. So you can see there it's covered 4760, so a really nice low mileage example here for you. It's got cruise control as well as a speed limiter function on a multi-function M Sport steering wheel, along with voice and volume controls. So clicking into the Satnav, again being able to utilise our touchscreen capabilities is a really nice feature. We can scroll into destination, we can pinch zoom as well, so like your smartphone devices, which we're all fairly used to. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreen items, we've still got our iDrive scroll wheel down here next to our gear selector for the all-new 7-speed automatic gearbox, along with our performance mode select switch. Up here is the climate controls, which we've got a separate one for drivers and passengers, along with the switches for the heated seats. In terms of everything else within the vehicle, we've of course got a wide array of communication and multimedia. You get Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with DAB, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate for you. There you can see DAB, CD. We've also got USB slot, which is tucked just underneath the armrest, which is, again, everything feels so ergonomically correct within an X2. It is a very comfortable and commanding driving position. You sat fairly upright, but remembering being that this is an M Sport, we've got slightly lower and stiffer suspension, giving a very, very commanding driving style. Engine oil first service is due in 12,000 miles time. So there is a look around video, this amazing X2 M Sport. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful, and we shall look forward to seeing yourselves very, very soon. And of course, if you do want to get in touch, you'll find all of the relevant contact information alongside website links down below. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.